stand right here so I can't see myself.
All right, so now that we spent 2 minutes just in the camera, welcome back, guys. I'll do my.
Can I be your assistant and just like
all 2 of my subscribers, welcome. All right, worst case scenario, you film this tomorrow. So welcome, guys. Today we are gonna be making a smoothie. Okay, so backstory. I was a good little daughter, and for my mom's birthday, I got her this cookbook called The Vibrant Life by Amanda Haas. I hope that's how you pronounce it. And during quarantine, I've been loving cookbooks. It's been fun. And so anyways, the other day, I found this strawberry basil smoothie, and it was delish, as the youngins say.
as Rachel Ray says.
Is that, oh no.
Yeah.
Copyright. Okay, let's back up. So anyways, this is gonna take about 2 seconds because it's super simple. Because well, we've tried, what was that meal service we got?
HelloFresh.
Yes, that's about what it is.
Or was it Blue Apron? They're all the same.
Yeah, that's about the level of my expertise in cooking is HelloFresh. So, but anyways, this is super simple. Basically, all we need is frozen strawberries, unsweetened almond milk.
Wait.
Oh, thank you, Brooke, my lovely assistant. Unsweetened almond milk.
Wait.
And 12 fresh basil leaves, which I think I had to wait on Brooke a little bit, so like I've been keeping them
Really sad.
in this super sophisticated. I just dropped the leaves everywhere. Anyways, I've been keeping them in the super sophisticated mechanism.
Paper towels.
Paper towels. And so we got about 12. I didn't count them out exactly. I don't think like the more basil the better, I say. What do you think, Brooke?
Well, we'll see.
Okay. And then the last thing is just some honey. So, sorry vegans out there. Thank you. So, I guess let's just get cracking.
We're using a NutriBullet non-spons.
Yeah, not sponsored. All right. So, that's 2 cups, my bad. Oopsie. 1 cup frozen strawberries. Super professional.
Ooh, I gotta chill. Oh wait, that's just the strawberries.
1 cup unsweetened almond milk. Don't worry, guys. For all 2 of my subscribers, I'll put the recipe in the below box for you.
I think you're supposed to set that down as you measure.
Oh
it, so
my
it's like
God.
a level surface. I don't know anything.
I'm thinking of that vodka meme.
Look, 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 look.
2 cups vodka.
Vegans are going crazy right now. Look, 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 look.
Is vodka not vegan?
I'm just saying because it's like the almond milk you're doing.
Oh.
It's like fun.
Oh. Were you vegan ever? I know you were vegetarian or like pescatarian. Presbyterian.
You've got a job to do.
All right.
Moving on.
Very professional over here in the Perriwink household. And then my very happy basil leaves. I do not want my dog to eat that. Where did it go? No. I don't know. It's gone. It's sayonara. And 1 tablespoon honey. The first time I did this, I didn't actually measure out the honey. I did it for like 3 seconds. So, sorry, Amanda Haas, but 1, 2, 3. Okay, that's about Cooking's supposed to be fun, kids. You don't need to really stress too much about it.
Right, or at all.
All right. And then we're just gonna blend this up.
She's sealed. I'll let you do the
Oh, you're gonna
honors.
let me do that
Yeah.
honors? Cool. I've never used this miniature bowl before. Actually.
She's looking real good. These days.
Do you think I blended that enough? I think it's... Oh, guys, this... If you had, like, smeller vision for the TV, it sounds so good. Smell that.
Yep.
Sweet.
Basil.
Okay, let me get some cups. Let's do this. I'll let you pour it. But actually, in all serious note, I've been loving this cookbook. It has like yoga and stuff in it as well. And it's just been fun. So if you also have been kind of in a rut with...
I know, I'm left-handed. You gave me this job.
In all seriousness, if you like, you know, because we've all been having to stay in for the better good during this time period, and if you've been struggling to kind of like get inspired, reading cookbooks for me has been amazing. No lie. So,
I'll take.
ooh, let's wipe the
Sorry.
cup down. It's okay. No worries. So sorry. True love is patient. Ready?
Cheers.
Cheers. This is so good. I think it's because the first time I made it, it wasn't as blended, so it like, I really tasted the basil.
I'm tasting the basil. That's a lot of basil.
I would, my personal opinion is to add even more basil, but you know.
I wouldn't. So.
Yeah. So anyways, this was just a fun little video we made today. Honestly, we're probably gonna be making more. Isn't that good?
It is quite good.
I don't know. I
I'm
love this.
impressed.
I would
What's it
definitely
supposed to do for your
vibrant life.
Yeah.
Actually. So it says strawberries rock.
Yeah, they do.
They're high in vitamin C, folate, potassium, fiber, magnesium, and a ton of other kind of. I went to school, I promise. And a ton of other good for you things. It's supposed to be good for brain function, protects against high blood pressure, arthritis, gout, cardiovascular disease, and more.
Just had to throw gout in there.
No, honest to God, it says it. Just,
You could never be too safe.
mm-mm. And basil is loaded with anti-inflammatory and disease-fighting antioxidants. And then I got confused because the picture shows strawberries and lemons. So I guess actually maybe next time we make this, we'll put some lemons in it because I don't know. This is good. I feel like this would be a great like breakfast smoothie.
Well, it's great. It's good. Highly recommend.
Yeah.
All right, guys.
I'll do my subscribers. We'll see you next time. Keep it real.